Hey, I want to show you a way to fix your tape measure in case you ever run into pulling out too much of the tape. A lot of times it'll get stuck, and there's a few different ways to fix this. If you pull all the way out, and you see right here the stop is coming out, so when you pull on this, it won't go back in, okay? But right underneath the bottom here, if you pull this out and push the tape down, and then let it go back in, then it'll slide underneath and go back in, okay? But not everyone will function that way. So some of them you may have to actually take them apart and open them up, and they all should function just about the same. So we'll pull this back out. So now it's stuck again, it's locked again. So if you have one that you can't do that first way with, you'll flip it over, take out all the screws that you have on it, which I've already taken these ones out. We'll separate this here. And I would recommend wearing some safety glasses at this part, just in case there's any tension in here. You don't want something flying and hit you in the face. So now you have your mechanism here. So all you have to do is find your stopping lock mechanism right here and bypass that. So on this one, you can push that up and see now you can remove and loosen up these parts around it. So now that you've freed that up, then you can hold it here and put it back together. Okay, now that we've rolled this one all the way up, you can go ahead and put it back together. So go ahead and put any kind of frame pieces you have around where the tape measure comes out. Make sure your locking mechanism is exactly where it's supposed to be. You might go ahead and test it out before you put this top on. So everything on here is back the way we want it. So now we can put our top on. Okay, now that we put it back together, we can go ahead and test it out and see if it works. Okay, whether you want your lock on, you want to push it off, and it's back. All right, that's all I had for you today. If you guys can, please like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any content you want to see. Thanks.